Hey everybody, this is Friday's application problem. Let's take a look at this over here. It says Thomas has 2 sheets of paper. He wants to punch 4 equally spaced holes along the side of the paper. So here I have the 2 papers drawn and I have 4 equally spaced holes punched in each. But then what it wants you to do is it wants you to think of these as 2 separate holes, and then it wants you to make a number line from 0 to 2 because there are 2 holes in here. And then it wants you to label each hole like it's a fraction. Okay? So if 0 is the starting point, what fraction would that be? Well, first we need to figure out what the unit fraction is. If there are 4 evenly spaced holes, we could think of those as the lines that are splitting up the hole into smaller parts. So if there are 4 holes, and we want to think of them as lines, we're going to draw 4 lines between each hole, right? So here's 1, 2, 3, 4 lines. If we draw 4 lines between one hole, what is the unit fraction? It would be fifths, right? Because the rule is if we make one less line than the number of parts that we have, then the actual unit fraction will be one number higher than the number of lines that we make. So this fraction would be 0/5. Then let's keep going. 1/5, 2/5, 3/5, 4/5, and one whole would be 5/5. And I'm going to draw it above, and I'm going to put a little square around it just so I know that's one whole. Then let's keep going. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then this would be 6/5, 7/5, 8/5, and 9/5. And then we got to know here, it's asking us what fraction is the 8th whole. Well, this is the 8th whole. So what fraction is that? 9/5 is the fraction for the 8th whole. Right, and we're going to write that in a complete sentence. All right, hope you guys found that helpful, and I'll see you in today's math lesson.